Let's get to the vote.
You try to come close this year, but you're not in our league. Get ready to lose again. See yourselves.
I'm sick and tired of you creeping up on us. Goodbye.
This was a really tough year for Mans, but we're going to blow it out of the water in 2011. Olivia, move aside. There's going to be a new number one next year.
The one I'm writing down is a formidable competitor, but the market doesn't really need them anyways.